English vegetable phrases. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today, our lesson is about vegetables. Simple and healthy vocabulary you can use when cooking, eating, or shopping for food. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story. Jenny's cooking afternoon. It's Saturday afternoon. Jenny wants to cook a healthy dinner for her family. She puts on her apron and smiles. Let's make something delicious. First, she picks up a carrot and says, "A carrot is orange and very crunchy." Then she grabs some potatoes and says, "I like potatoes. They taste good in any dish." She starts preparing the vegetables. "Chop the onion," she says to herself. Her eyes get watery. "Wow, onions are strong." Next, she picks up a big tomato. "Slice the tomato," she says slowly, cutting carefully. She makes a cucumber salad and adds fresh lettuce on top. "It looks so green and fresh," she says proudly. Jenny washes a handful of spinach. "Spinach is healthy," she whispers, thinking of her mother's advice. She steams broccoli on the stove. "Steamed broccoli is my favorite," she says. Then she smells something. "Oh, garlic has a strong smell," she laughs. She crushes the garlic and adds it to the pan. Finally, she cuts some peppers and says, "Let's add some peppers for color." When she finishes, the table is full of colorful vegetables. Her family gathers around and says, "Jenny, this looks amazing." She smiles proudly. Healthy food, happy life. Now it's time for the Q&A mini story. Jenny's cooking afternoon. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. It's Saturday afternoon. Who is cooking dinner? Jenny. What day is it? Saturday. Why is she cooking? For her family. She picks up a carrot. What does she say about the carrot? A carrot is orange. Is the carrot purple or orange? Orange. Is it crunchy? Yes, Jenny likes potatoes. What vegetable does she like? Potatoes. How do potatoes taste? Good in any dish. Does she hate potatoes? No. Next, she chops an onion. What does she do? Chop the onion. How do her eyes feel? Watery. Why? Because onions are strong. Then she slices a tomato. What does she slice? A tomato. Does she chop it or slice it? Slice it. Is she careful? Yes. She makes a cucumber salad. What kind of salad? A cucumber salad. What does she add on top? Fresh lettuce. Does it look green? Yes. Jenny washes spinach. What does she say about spinach? Spinach is healthy. Does she think it's unhealthy? No. What advice does she remember? Her mother's advice. She steams broccoli. What kind of broccoli? Steamed broccoli. Is it her favorite? Yes. Where does she cook it? On the stove. Then she smells garlic. What has a strong smell? Garlic. What does she do with the garlic? Crushes it and adds it to the pan. Does she ignore it? No. Finally, she adds peppers. What does she add? Some peppers. Why does she add them? For color. How does she feel about the meal? Proud and happy. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about vegetables, Rauku. Today, you practiced vegetable phrases like a carrot is orange, chop the onion, slice the tomato, a cucumber salad, fresh lettuce, spinach is healthy, steamed broccoli, garlic has a strong smell, and add some peppers. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.